Omunye bethu oyi-celebrity esasimbonga kuleya mashi ngomhlaka-30 sithi siyabonga umsebenzi wakho omuhle awenzayo. Namhlanje ekuseni uyangifonela uyangitshela ukuthi usisi wakhe usesibhedlela. Usisi wakhe ubesonta kumfundisi waseBurundi. Umfundisi waseBurundi aze kuyena ambuze athi yindaba wena ubhuti wakhe eyi-celebrity elokhu engena nezinto zemanje manje. Emva kokuthi asho njalo athi usisi mina ngazi ukuthi izinto zemanje ubhuti kanjani ngoba ubhuti phela umuntu naye umdala uyakwazi ukuzenzela iy'nqumo zakhe. Umfundisi waseBurundi kuthiwa ibingamphethe kahle lento. Sekusuka lapho namhlanje ekuseni umfundisi lo waseBurundi angena endlini yasisi ewumuntu ucela usizo. Wathi esuka futhi usisi nengane yakhe ingane na-14 kuthiwa ubaqabhe ngocelemba ngo-23. Njengamanje usisi usesibhedlela. Masisuka la siyakhona sifuna ukuyombona. Into engizama ukunitshelela yona lento ukuthi ngicela niyigade ngoba nizobe niyitshela ukuthi abantu bofika nihlelisene nabo kanti akusahlelisene nabo. Musani ukulokhu nenze ngazi ukuthi ukuhlonipha umthetho wase-South Africa phela lokho kukhona umholi wethu wase-Eastern Cape naye wathi aqeda ukuphuma kwimashi bamlandela kubo endlini bambulala. Kuyafihlwa nje kule weekend umholi ohamba phambili le e-Eastern Cape. So ngifuna ukumcela ukuthi njengamanje sonasikhathi sokuthi njengemphakathi nibambisane. Kungabi khona amaxoki phakathi kwenu. Kungabi khona abantu abadayisanayo phakathi kwenu. Makhona isigebengu siyasibopha. Kodwa engakusho ukuthi masingabi thina manje njengoba beqamba abantu bebadala kanje awucabange iy'ngane zakho wena ungasekho sekufanele ziyivikele kulabantu abanje.
Ngomhla ka-30 kuJuni 2026 uJacinta Ngobese Zuma wamemezela ukuthi abasezukumasha everyday kodwa sebezomasha njalo ngoLwesine. Siboneleke ngeviki eliphelile amamasha buwakhona iy'ndaweni ezehlukahlukene. Ngayizolo-ke njengoba kuLwesine kube nemasha eThekwini lapho baphume khona abantu ngobuningi babo. Bekukhona ngisho uPhakela Umthakathi eyingxenye yemashi ebiseThekwini. Ilapho uJacinta afike khona wakhuluma le indaba ezingezinhle lezi aqeda ukuzikhuluma. Ngifisa ukucaphunela ividiyo yemashi bese sikhuluma ngalolu daba lokugwazwa kaLusisi Lwegwazo umfundisi waseBurundi. I-30 uJacinta wabonga isupport abayithola kubantu abehlukahlukeneyo okubalwa kuyo noPastor Mjosti. Kanti uPastor Mjosti unodadewabo oke waba sebudlelwaneni nalo mfundisi waseBurundi. Wangagcina ukuthi babe nobudlelwano phela wagcina esekhonza futhi ebandleni lakhe lo mfundisi waseBurundi. Laba nenkinga-ke ibandla lavalwa. Akusho ukuthi alisakwazi ukuqhubeka li-exist njengebandla. Wayeseqashwa-ke kwenye indawo lo mfundisi. Lo mfundisi-ke ufike emzini walosisi wazolwa ukuthi wenziwa yini ukuthi ubhuti wakhe asaphote i-March and March. Ngoba uzwile ukuthi manje usenconywa uyabonga esidlangalaleni ngesupport ayikhombisile. Uma benqakisana-ke ngamagama umfundisi wayeseyamgwaza njengoba adesha uJacinta. Zikhona iy'thombe, ikhona nevidiyo ekhombisa ikhaya igazi phansi. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi i-YouTube isensitive ikakhulukazi to ama-advertisers wabo. Kunzima ukuthi ngifake lezo zinto la. Ave buhlungu lento eyehlele lo mama owudadewabo kamfundisi uMjosti. khuluma nawe nje unengane na-14 usesibhedlela yena ngenxa yokuthi ngathi ukwazwe amanxeba awu-40 awakwazile umfundisi. And i-background yomfundisi imveza njengomuntu obekayisosha, a trained soldier eBurundi la abuya khona. Ngizocaphunela enye ividiyo kaJacinta la azochaza futhi kabanzi ngalesigameko. Kodwa-ke sikuzwile ukuthi umfundisi lo uboshiwe. Uthe-ke maye kuma-holding cells wayesezama ukuthatha impilo yakhe, wazama ukuzibulala. Ngeshwa lakhe akwenzekanga. Usesibhedlela nje manje bathi upretenda njengomuntu ogulayo ekhanda ngoba bezama ukuzibulala. Impi-ke elwa nabantu bokufika enkulu kakhulu engikufisayo ukukodwa ukuthi abantu base-South Africa noma kunje bangawuthatha umthetho bawubeke ezandleni zabo. Ilokho engifisa, ngiyazi khona kubuhlungu futhi labantu bakhombisa impi. Ngifisa ukuzwa ukuthi uhulumeni wethu uzothini. Ngifisa ukuzwa abantu bazothini, kakhulukazi osopolitiki uma sekwenzeka kanje. Ilokho nje engifisa ukuzwa. Ngoba uma abantu base-South Africa bengase bethathe umthetho bawubeke ezandleni zabo, umonakalo ozokwenzeka uzoba mkhulu kunalo wenziwe lo mfundisi waseBurundi. Sesengathi umama lo angarecover ngokushesha, aphume esibhedlela akwazi ukuqhubeka nakekele, akhulise iy'ngane zakhe. Angeke ngisayicaphuna ividiyo yakhe untombazane ngoba uzochaza into efanayo lezo show Jacinta, ukuze sigweme ukuthi ividiyo ingabi yinde, abantu belo bekhuluma into eyodwa. Ngizokucaphunela ividiyo kaJacinta. Ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la ku-comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngithi le nto izophuma esandleni, uJacinta usivezele ukuthi kunomuntu owathi ebuya emashini wabulawa. Akukho umuntu okhulumayo ngalokho ngoba shuthi kulungile makufa umuntu wase-South Africa. Akekho noyedwa. Nothi uyakondemning le nto yenziwe labantu bangaphandle, akekho noyedwa. Kodwa uma ngabe it's the other way around, ngabe sibona ama-political party, uhulumeni wethu ekhuluma into ey'ningi ngoba ave bebalulekile labantu, ikakhulukazi laba abafike ngokungekho semthethweni eSouth Africa. Ave bebalulekile bedlula abantu base-South Africa.
So we're standing outside the home of one of the artists who we had given thanks and acknowledgement to on the 30th of June, Pastor Mjosti. So on the 30th of June, he was one of the artists that we said has shown his support to March and March. And then today I got a call from him in the morning saying that, there's been an incident here. So his sister had been going to a church which was run by a man from Burundi, and that church was eventually closed. When the church was closed, she was going to another church, but now this pastor from Burundi started calling her after hearing us acknowledge him at the March and March, and asked her why is her brother supporting March and March. To which she explained that obviously he's an old man, he can support whoever he wants. And then after that, the man showed up in the wee hours of the morning and stabbed her 43 times, if I'm not mistaken, 40 plus times, and as well as their little daughter here. So she's currently in hospital under intensive care. But also the guy was caught thanks to the neighbor who was very brave and ran after him and went to call the police. This guy is a guy from Burundi. He came into South Africa, God knows as what, but he started a church, and apparently that church was closed down. After the church was closed down, he then became a car guard. But this particular man is also a soldier, trained soldier. So he was in the country walking around doing God knows what to survive. And today he's absolutely destroyed a family and stabbed a woman 40-something times just because that woman is related to someone who supports March and March. And we're not going to have that because we're not supposed to have such people in our country in the first place. But our government has subjected us to such people who are soldiers, trained soldiers in their own country, coming to our country and doing all of these things. So, yeah, we're still praying that she recovers. And yeah, I'm going to say it in Zulu now because I know some people will complain. But namhlanje sila ngaphandle kwasekhaya la Pastor Mjosti. Omunye abantu kathi ngomhla 30 kwaJune sibonga ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi akhulume ngeMarch and March nangokubaleka ukuthi izwe lethu likwazi ukuthi limele ngaphandle kokuthi lingenwe abantu bangaphandle bezogcwala la. Kuseksa njalo usisi wakhe uPastor Mjosti wase eseyabuza ke oseyathola icall ebuzwa umfundisi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ubhuti wakho abe kulezi zinto zeMarch and March ngoba phela wena ubhuti wakho uyicelebrity kumele ngabe umuntu neutral. Wathi ke usisi angazi phela ngoba ubhuti umuntu naye umdala uyakwazi ukwenzela inqumo zakhe. Wathi kusanjalo ke wasuka ke umfundisi lo wafika namhlanje kuseni ngekhathi nje zentathakusa wangena endlini mayengena endlini aqale amgwazi usisi anginayisho ukuthi 40 how many times noma 42 noma 43 kodwa kulako 40 something ikhathi amgwaze zona. Ngizoyifaka ke nevideo izolandela nje la ukuze niyibonele ukuthi into ebuhlungu kangakanani. Kodwa nje siyabiza amaphoyisa, sibiza nohulumeni ukuthi uzoyilungisa le ndawo. Ngoba kwazi ukuthi izwe lethu kuhamba kucaluzwa bonke abantu laba basuka emazweni abo ba amasosha atrainiwe kuze kulimala abantu bakithi ngenxa nje yokuthi bamele iqiniso. Ngimhlungu kakhulu ngalento enzekela. I think futhi ngiyathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla ukuthi sidlule kulobu bunzima esibhekane nabo ngoba siyakhala nje sikhala ngayo lento ukuthi abantu bokufika la asibazi nokuthi bobani baqhamuka kuma background abanjani. Abaningi babo siyabazi basuka emakhaya nodlame omazweni anodlame kodwa uhulumeni wathi azange uzusivikele kuleyo nto. So leli gazi leli lapha lalosisi nolingani yakhe lelapha yani sezandleni la uhulumeni wethu. Uwona okumele uwenze sure ukuthi labantu bayaphuma ezweni lethu ngokusheshsha ngoba sazi ukuthi njengoba kusisi kaMjosti nje namhlanje kusasa kuzobuba. And siyanicela ama South Africans manicabanga ukuthi lempi incane akobe niyabona ukuthi inkulu kangakanani ngoba namhlanje ibona kusasa ngase kubo wena and west mhlambe kusasa kuba ngisho ingane zakho ungasekho wena awuzange uyisukumele uyilwele kulempi esibhekane nayo. Labantu abangasibona bala efana ngaba bekho la abahambe.
Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiwumuntu ongayiswele into efuneka ayisho. Kodwa namhlanje ngiphelelwa amagama. Ngazi ukuthi kufuneka ngithini. Ngoba ibhlungu lento yenzekile ikakhulukazi masubona ama-video wabona igazi phansi. Mawufuna ukulibona leli gazi umuntu ongekho sensitive ungaya ku Facebook page yakho Jacinta Ngobese Zuma uzofike ulibone. Uyifakile ivideo le gazi la phansi khona. Ya kulabo abangekho sensitive bangaya ukuyolibheka bazobona.